This is how you can splice video clips or footage in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
When you have video clips on your video timeline, basically want to splice or you want to cut them, that got you. I'll show you how to do this completely for free. One is to pause the video, go to the beginning. You want to splice this and you want to make this shorter in length. Select your video so it's highlighted. Bottom you should see split next to speed. Now we have successfully spliced this video clip. Click on it and click delete, and do the same thing for this video clip. Then we want to cut it right here. Selects and highlights the video and click split, delete, and you kind of get the point. This is how you can splice video clips in Capcut Mobile completely for free.